The best way for a teacher to train a disciple is through Dharma teaching. A very few teachers, such as Marpa of the Kagyu lineage, have put their disciples into constant ascetic practice, and later gave pith instructions through various skillful means so the disciples realized the nature of mind. The teacher-disciple relationship should be established through teaching and hearing the Dharma. The teacher must teach, and the disciple must listen to the teaching and put it into practice. This is what is called following the teacher. Not only is this the proper and only way to follow an ordinary teacher. If you were to follow Buddha Shakyamuni, the protector of the three worlds, in person, there is no other way. The essential way Buddha Shakyamuni benefits all sentient beings is through the three turnings of the Dharma wheel, not through manifesting clairvoyance or other magical powers.